Whoa! Oh, almost jumped right into that tree. Squirrel! Oh, that was a struggle bus there, baby. That hot downhill electric mountain bike female god is watching me. All right, there we go, baby. Come on, baby. You don't need no extra power. Woo! Woo! Love my boots. Boots and roots don't mix. Fisher Fab House keeping it bright, baby. Off camber. Hey. Let's go. Quick, giddy up. Don't do that, folks. Man, those freaking pro tapers are tough, baby. They're tough, baby. Whew. That's new. Haha! Wow, what a section. Holy crap, was that cool. So I'm now at 7 turns of low speed compression and 10 turns of high speed. Which makes sense because you definitely have more weight than you do on a normal mountain bike here. And it feels really good right now. Bridge, turn. Woo! I almost slipped off that bridge with the back tire. Uphill. Oh, that's not it. Gotta get back on the trail. Can't let myself beat myself. Oh my gosh, this one's getting intense. Off camber-ish. Don't look around. You might want to. Don't look around. Arm pump. Whew. Oh yeah, that feels good. Ah. Weight on that outside peg. Standing on that outside peg, folks. Tight. Come on, baby. A little bit stiff, but pretty nice. Turn. That was just all me trying to give you guys the wheelie action. Oh my God. I'm cut. Bar tap action. Yes. Oh, knee to the horn action. Yes. Oh, this thing feels so fun. I've never been on any of this that I can remember in the last 2 times I've been here now. Woo! Backpack action. 3. Yes, sir, that feels good. 80 PSI, 10 turns of high speed, compression, 7 turns of low speed, 15 clicks of rebound, and 10 full turns out of 15 of OTT to soak up all this little chop. And I'll tell you what, it's all me now. It's all tire pressure in me now, baby. Ah! Oh, I thought I had it. Yeah. Ah. Ah. Oh, yeah, baby. Woo! Ha-ha! Slow-mo right there. 60 frames will slow-mo that. I got shoulder, hand, and here, and shoulder. All for y'all. Ah. Well, folks, she's holding steady, baby. I just caught this section right here. Look at this. This guy got me. This guy got me. I'll show you. Man, we got her nice and good. I dig that. Just don't mess up my Augie tattoo, baby. Them trees are real. They might look like they're fake when I'm hauling ass through them, but they're real. Even the little ones, they're real too. Well, y'all, we had an absolutely awesome day of riding, and we did about 2 hours of riding, give or take, and I am at 57% battery. So you could probably expect at least 3.5, 4 hours out of this thing on the trails. The old Valentino Rossi DVO Sur Ron X, baby. Pro taper, Fisher Fab House. Awesome time. Luna Cycles, check them out. CJ Moto out.